What's up, guys? It's Kevin with Riding with the Rileys. Got another quick RV park review. We're actually in Ogallala, Nebraska. I think that's how you say it. But this is a nice, great little KOA. Very clean. It's got some unique features to it. That's why I wanted to show you.
Howdy guys, we are Kevin and Rita, RVers from Texas. We've stepped away from the corporate world and now travel the country with our crazy Boston Terriers, Lexi and Richie, and our beautiful motorhome named Stella. Follow along on our journey to see all the craziness.
What's up, guys? It's Kevin with Riding with the Rileys. Got another quick RV park review. We're actually in Ogallala, Nebraska. I think that's how you say it. But this is a nice, great little KOA. Very clean. It's got some unique features to it. That's why I wanted to show you. Let me spin around here and show you. That's the main road coming in. So you're right off the highway. The highway's just right there, so it's easy to get into. Again, this is a KOA. It's a Tri-Trails journey. Now, something to understand is that there actually are two KOAs. So you want to make sure that you get this right one. We'll post the link down below showing you exactly where it's located. This is the main entrance coming in. So you can see it's real wide. And this section up here at the front, what's kind of unique, they don't have a lot of grass, but they give you artificial grass, which is pretty cool. You know, you actually, these right here don't have they're not considered super premium or prime, I guess maybe, but they do have a fire pit. They have a picnic table. They actually have a gas grill that's right there. On this side, we just got picnic tables and the artificial grass. It's really, really clean park. Again, this is the main entrance. Let me go up there. There's no reason for me to film while I'm just walking along. Let me get up there and show you what our site looks like. Okay, that's down there where I started the recording, so that's the entrance. I'll come right over here. Show you we got Stella parked. Love her at Georgetown. Actually love it. So we're in one of the premium sites. Now, these type sites are $95 a night, so they're not the cheaper KOA, but you know, with a lot of things, you pay for what you get. Pad's very level. I mean, we had to, you know, put the jacks down, of course, but it was very, very low leveling. We just adjusted a few things. That's what we like for the pup dogs right there. So this is a very unique feature where the fact that you can let your dogs go right here. It's got artificial grass right there. Here comes another rig coming in. Again, this is the dog pen. They actually give you your own place to put the dog poo, and they give you your own bags. This is the picnic area. It's all paved. We're going to run a fire tonight, I'm sure. So we got a fire pit. Weather here is great right now. We're in the middle of May, so they give you a picnic bench, charcoal grill. I'm sorry, I keep saying charcoal, but gas. Fairly clean for something that's out in the public, but you can use that if you want to. You don't have to pull yours out. Walk around here behind, show you the connections. So the connections are pretty close. Stable electricity, it seems like. We're in site 25. Rudder pressure's not bad, running about 40. So it gets done for what you want. So again, we're in site 25. And that's looking back towards the other part of the RV park. Let me walk over there and kind of show you. This right here is the, again, we're still kind of back here at our site, but see, these sites, something I didn't mention a while ago, is they actually have fence that kind of gives you some privacy, which is kind of neat. They only have 2 of those, so something I needed to mention. Okay, they do have a pool, again, but the pool's closed right now because, you know, most of the RV parks and stuff up this way that have a pool, they don't open till Memorial Day. So he's cleaning it, getting it all ready, but he said it'll be ready for Memorial Day. So you guys are coming this way, you can hit that pool. And so you can see the pool's not far from where the RV park is. Some of the coaches, that's where we are right there. Walk around here, show you. They do have laundry. So just met the owner, young man, very passionate about his park. So that was great. That's the office where you check in. You do have ice. They do have some RV stuff inside if you need it. Another dog park right there. So if you don't have your own private one like us, you got one there. RV slots go way back down that way. They do have showers, bathhouse and showers. They're very clean. So it's a plus if you need that. Again, that's looking back down that other way. This is the main entrance where the pool is. So they have quite a few RV spots here. So there you go, guys. Another RV park review. Again, we're in a KOA in Ogallala, Nebraska. Hope that's how you say it. Hope you guys like these videos. Got more coming. We're on a 7-month trip. So don't forget, guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and like down below. I'll put some links down below to this KOA. We'll see you on the next one.